So this PC before me here was brought because there was a spill on it. Yeah, water spill on the PC, and the PC stopped working. All right. So let me tell you this. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you what you are going to do should water enter your PC. Maybe you got drenched in the rain, or while you are working, water spill or liquid, spill on your PC. What can you do? Notice that liquid cannot by default damage your PC if you carry out the necessary steps. When there's a spill, don't say that, well, your PC is still working, so you can manage it. Or you just dip it inside rice and it's working. Never be deceived. Don't allow that to deceive you. That your PC is still working, even though it has been, water has entered into it, or it shows that there's no, a little water enter inside it. No. Never second guess, and never, just write it off. Whatever that happens to your PC, that it was, the water that entered it was insignificant. That might be the end of the PC if care is not taken. Yeah. So this is what you're going to do. Yeah. So first you have to do is find a way to open the PC. That is, if the battery is inbuilt. Like this type of PC, the battery is inbuilt. So you look at this, there's no way you can remove the battery. Yeah. So the battery of this PC is inbuilt. So look at it here is the battery. Okay. We are going to see the snapshot how there was water here, water on this at the back of the case. And looking at this case, you are going to see sign of water. You see here. This right here is sign of water. Yeah, you see. Yeah. So first is to remove the battery. Yeah. If maybe like you could not lose it because you've not lost PC if not losing PC before, just find a way you can lose it, or you immediately treat it as urgent, as an emergency. Take it to a technician that will help you to have it serviced. But first thing to do is just to remove source of power from it, because as source of power continues to be on the PC, the water will be causing damages because there is voltage on the motherboard. But with the removal of voltage on the motherboard, there will be nothing. So whatever the damage that has taken place is going to stop. At that point, the damage, I'm very sure, is going to be reversible. That is, if the battery was immediately removed. So, number one thing, first thing, the primary thing to do is to remove source of power, to remove power from the PC. Next thing you want to do is to remove the motherboard. Yeah, you look at the motherboard and examine it. If there is sign of water on it or liquid, have it cleaned up. And while cleaning it up, we are going to use a very soft, yes, a brush, a soft one. Yeah, very soft, not hard brush. Look for a soft brush, and they can maybe use, isopropyl alcohol just to clean it up. Right, just to clean it up. Make sure that the water on it is dry. Yeah, just make sure that it is dry. Yeah, so that is number two. Number two is to get rid of water that you find on the PC. Okay, so as you remove it, you can also use the opportunity to have your PC service. Like you remove the e-sync and you replace the thermal paste, clean up the fan. Yeah, basically that is those are the two crucial steps. So it might be that the water does not get to the motherboard, but does that mean that the effort was wasted? No, it is not a wasted effort. It is better to be safe than to be sorry, right? Good. So just take it out, and if you cannot find water, then you have the PC service, shake the thermal paste and clean up the fan. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Everyone can do this. Yeah, everyone can do this. If you don't know how to use your PC to open it up, you can just search it on Google. You are going to find how to disassemble a particular PC. Why this one is HP, it does not matter the type of PC. Same process, same steps applies. The same step. Okay, you open it up, remove the source of power, either battery. Yeah, definitely battery, because it can't continue to plug in the PC. So remove charger if it is plugged in, then open it up and to remove the battery. Next is to remove the board and examine it, clean it up, make sure that there's no sign of liquid on the motherboard. And if the liquid is so much, make sure you dry it up. It might take up to maybe 24 hours, but make sure that it is dry, completely dry. Yeah, completely dry. Right. So that is the second crucial step. And as a matter of fact, if you quickly act on it, nothing might happen to the keyboard. But if you delay, the keyboard might be affected. That we have to change the keyboard. But while doing it, you have to examine the keyboard, because a PC it has internal battery. Most of the time, the keyboard is going to be, if the battery is internal, most of the time the keyboard is going to be internal. Yeah. So examine that there's no liquid locking, yes, hiding between the keyboard. Yeah, you just make sure of that. But if you are not sure, remove the keyboard. Yeah, just remove it, because it might happen that after you have a service, but there's still liquid. It could be a liquid, not necessarily water. Water can quickly dry up. But when it comes to liquid that has high viscosity, so it can remain there, maybe something like oil or something. Yeah, it might remain there for weeks. Yeah, if you don't clean it up. Yeah, so you make sure that yes, all the dating is being eradicated of liquid, then you can assemble it. Believe me, it's going to work. So with this piece that was brought, yeah, I've done the servicing, I've cleaned it up. Yeah, if you look at my finger, yeah, this is sign of thermal compound. Yeah, and this is it. Yes. All right, so it has been done, and let me put it to test and let's see if it works or it doesn't. Good. There is a light there that is DC in light. Then I'll press power button. Yeah, I've pressed power button. And now there's a light. Is there a fan spin? Yeah, the fan spin and it stopped. But I have CMOS reset because there's no battery on it. Alright, of course, CMOS reset. The fan has not started, but yes, the PC is working. Yeah, done. So that is how you do it. Everyone can do it. Yes, everyone can do it. If you know what you are doing, yeah, it's as simple as ABC.